Hello students, today's topic is basic procedure of machine design. Basically, designing of machine or machine element is a step-by-step approach from starting to end as per the functional requirement and specification. Here all the steps are interrelated and each step affecting the other step. It means if we are doing any change in one step, then it will affect the other step also. So we can say all steps of designing of machine or machine elements are necessary. So here I am going to discuss the basic procedure of machine design. These steps required for designing a machine or machine elements. First step is recognition of need. Second step is market survey. Third is define specification of product. Then find alternative mechanism for products. Next step is selection of proper mechanism. Then layout of configuration. Then seventh step is method to assemble individual elements. Next step is individual component drawing. Then after this individual component drawing, the next step is detailed drawing. Then modification in drawing. Then prototype testing. So I will tell you one by one, or I will explain these steps one by one in next slide. So let us take the first step, that is recognition of need. Recognition of need or need means what is the requirement of that product or why we require that component or product. Second step is market survey. In simple words, we can say the market survey or survey means whatever product we are designing, is that product is worthful or not, and whatever product we are designing, so we have to manufacture that product, or we can buy the different elements of product or simply assemble that, and so many factors. Cost factors are also included in market survey. Next step is specification of product. This step consists complete specification of the product. For example, if we are designing any automobile, then the specification should be length, width, height, or the overall dimension of the product or the element, weight, maximum speed. Speed should be in kilometer per hour, and fuel consumptions, service life, cost, reliability, appearance, performance, and so on factors. So on the basis of these specification, we can only design the product. Next step is mechanism of product. Basically, mechanism shows the internal working of the machine. So we need to find out the number of possible mechanism for that particular machine. For example, if we are designing the clutch unit, so we need to find out how many mechanisms are available in that particular unit. Next step is selection of mechanism. So from all these alternative mechanism, we have to select the best possible and suitable mechanism on the basis of manufacturing procedure, cost, reliability, and the availability of raw material, standard part, and so on factors. The next step of designing process is general layout of configuration, and this step is about to prepare the general layout of selected method or configuration, which consists the detailed description of each and every part of assembly or machine. Like if we are designing any automobile, so this step consists the layout of each and every part of automobile engine, like cylinder head, connecting rod, piston, crankshaft, valve, etc., and their locations also. Next step is selection of method of assembly. This step is related to method of assembly or method which is required to assemble the individual elements. So here designer should specify the method of assembly, like joints, and in joints which kind of joint it is, the welded joint, the riveted joint, etc., and screws, nuts, bolts, etc., to connect the individual component. Next step is individual component drawing. Designing of individual component or drawing of individual component is very important step of the design, and it consists different points like determination of forces, determination of stress, strain, etc., proper material selection for the component as per the load bearing capacity, rigidity, nature of working, and the working condition. Another points are different criteria of failure like ultimate strength, yield strength, and so on, and geometric dimensions, etc. Next step is detailed drawing. In this step, generally designer prepare the drawing of individual component and as well as drawing of assembly also, which include different factors like dimensions, material, tolerances, different type of manufacturing processes, surface finish, grades, machining symbols, etc. Here designer not only make drawing of those component which has to manufacture, but designer also prepare the list of outsourcing component to complete the assembly. Next step is modification. All type of drawing and design is done as per the specification by designer with 100% accuracy, but if at manufacturing level, if there is any problem happen, then as per the manufacturing engineer, the designer will modify, and after all modification it will again manufacture. Next step is prototype testing. Basically, prototype testing is the last step of process. After prototype testing, the product will be finalized. So this is all about the basic procedure of machine design. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe the channel for more lectures.